This is a popular homework problem. Given a polar coordinate, find two other pairs of polar coordinate of this point, r greater than 0 and r less than 0. The first point is 8 pi over 4. So 8 pi over 4 is you go to 8. So this is 8. And then you go to pi over 4. That is the location of this point, right? So this is a 0, and then you go to 8, and then you rotate to pi over 4 counterclockwise. So let's say, so this one is r greater than 0, and then we have r comma theta. The easiest one is you start at 8, and then you have a pi over 4, right? Okay, that is given. And then based on what you study in the unit circle, you know that when you add 2 pi, you will go back to the same position. So that is equals to a 9 pi over 4. So the first possible answer is 8 comma 9 pi over 4. You might be saying, okay, then for r greater than 0, I can just keep adding 2 pi to get more points, right? Okay, that's fine. You can just keep adding 2 pi. So standing at 9 pi over 4, you add 2 pi, you get to the next point. Yes, I agree with you. How about this? For r greater than 0, we can also think about 8 comma negative 7 pi over 4. What is negative 7 pi over 4? Negative 7 pi over 4 is I start at 8, and then I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 7 pi over 4. I reach to the same spot. This is what you also need to know. What about when r is negative? So when r is negative, then you force to push a negative 8. Then negative 8, this is a negative 8. So for negative 8, can I do a negative 8? Can I do a 1, 2, 3? 3 pi over 4 counterclockwise. Am I right? So counterclockwise, sorry, not counterclockwise, clockwise. That will be negative 8. If you want to do counterclockwise, then we have to go this way. Then we have to go a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we do counterclockwise, so that will be a negative 8, 5 pi over 4. And then also from r less than 0, you can do a negative 8. I can do a 1, 2, 3. I can do a clockwise. So for clockwise, I will need to use a negative theta. So that one would be a negative 3 pi over 4. Okay, so let's do a negative 3 pi over 4. All right, so there we go. And then let's try the next one. The next one is a negative 7, 3 pi over 2. Let's do a r less than 0. Then I am not changing the negative 7. So negative 7, and then 3 pi over 2. Where is that? Negative 7. So that me erase this little line. Negative 7. That is a negative 7. Negative 7, and then 3 pi over 2. So that is negative 7, 3 pi over 2. So 3 pi over 2. This one we have to go counterclockwise. So we will just have to go here. 1 pi over 2. 3 pi, off the track. 1, 2, and then 3. There we go. That is a negative 7, 3 pi over 2. That is where I have. So this one, according to the unit circle, if I add a 2 pi to it, I will get back to the same spot. So that is equals to 3 plus 4, 7 pi over 2. Okay, that is the first one. Can we find another one? Negative 7. So this one, can I just do a pi over 2? But for pi over 2, we will go this way, right? Because for pi over 2, we will go counterclockwise. To go clockwise, then I will have to do a negative pi over 2. There we go. And then can we do a r? This one is giving r negative. Can we do a r positive? So let's do a positive r. So when r is positive, then I force to push this to be a 7. So this will be a 7. Then the line is right here, 7. And then you want to go to that point, I can do a 7 pi over 2. Pi over 2. And then when r is greater than 0, I can do a 7, then I can just go this way, 1, 2, 3. I will just go clockwise, and then that will give me a negative 3 pi over 2. There we go. So that is a pretty popular problem. If you have an exam, study this. That is a very good questions for homework, quizzes, and exam. All right, so that is the end of this video. I will meet you all in the next video.